How to fix sound in your personal computer. Method 1. Search for Control Panel and then open it. You will see a list of options, but you have to choose Hardware and Sound. From the selection, you have to choose Manage Audio Devices. You will see there the list of audio devices. Click on your speaker. Check the levels, disable all of the enhancements, and click Apply. For the Advanced tab, make sure you choose the proper format. You could test it by pressing the test button, and once you're happy with that, click on the Apply button. Exit everything. You could restart your computer. If it doesn't work, the second method is to visit or open your device manager. Among these options, click on Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Tap on Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of drivers. Click on Realtek High Audio Device, wait for it to be installed, and then that's it. Restart your computer again and check if it works.